Hi all, this is a video tutorial on how to use Testmoz for assessment and how to use Testmoz to create your test and conduct it to your students in your related subjects. So this is a short video tutorial on how to use it, how to create questions and how to publish your questions online and how to share it with your students and also how your students will be viewing it. Okay, so let's get started. Here I'm going to open my Chrome. Okay, in Chrome you just have to type Testmoz. Okay, so this is when you type Testmoz, you'll be directed to this window where you can see an option called Build a Test. Okay, so you don't have to have a login ID or you don't have to sign up or you don't have to register yourself in this site to create a test. As long as you're creating your test for free and you don't have to make any subscription, and only thing is some of the features which is available in Testmoz will not be enabled for you guys. So what we have to do is we are going to build a test for free. So just click on the option build a test. Okay, and it will direct you to this window. Okay, so this is the main page where you're going to type in the text details. Say for example, if you're going to conduct a class test, you can type the test name accordingly and give a password and all. So they have already given a limitation here. You can build a test for free on Testmoz, but remember these limits. Okay, you can only type in 50 questions per test and only 100 responses per test. So as long as you're subscribing for it, this is the available option here. Okay, now when you sign in and when you subscribe, the option is more, and how many people can attend the test is more wide when you sign into the Testmoz option. Okay, so then, and also one thing, when you're creating a test or test name and all, you should always remember the password and URL. If you forget the password or if you forget to bookmark the password or the URL, then you cannot retrieve your test. Thus it's one of the limitation in Testmoz. Otherwise it's very easy. Okay, so I'm here to talk about creating a sample test. So I'm just giving the name of the test as demo test. Okay, demo test 2. Okay, because I've already given a demo test. So you can choose any password. Okay, you can, according to your convenience, you can choose any password. So I'm going to type a password. Okay, and then again retype my password and I'm going to create the test. Okay, just click on create test option. So so this is the window where you will be directed, and it is they already given this panel has given an option that bookmark this page and write down your password. Because as I told you, if you don't bookmark your URL or if you forget your password, then you cannot retrieve your test. So you always have to, this is your URL. You can see it here on the top. Okay, it's always better you bookmark it. Okay, so you will not forget it. So we have bookmarked it. Now we are going to adjust the settings and also add questions to your test. Okay, so first thing is you have to go to adjust settings. Okay, by default everything will be set in Testmoz, but you can also customize and do it according to your convenience. So as I already gave my name, my test name is demo test 2. Okay, if you have to give any introduction regarding the test, that is if you're conducting a class test, you can give any description regarding the text or the test. Okay, so this will be, I'm just giving, this is a demo test. I'm just giving that introduction. Okay, and then by default it is in this theme. If you want to change the theme, you can change it, otherwise leave it. Okay, next you can see choose the language for Testmoz student interface. So this language is used when displaying Testmoz. If the student want to display or want to see the questions in any other languages, everything is possible, but it's better not to touch this option because it will be displayed in English as you type. So, and then question settings, show all test questions in one page. So I think it will be suitable for us to choose the second option, that is one question per page. Okay. Navigation settings, this allow the student to jump around different questions in the test, like what we see in our professional exams and all. If you want to go to one question from first question, if you want to attend the 7th question, you can just go and click it. If you want to see that option, you can click this. Otherwise, only allow the student to move forward after answering a question. So basically, if you are giving a small class test and all, it will not take much time. So it is always better you leave this option itself. And after each question, indicate if student's response was correct or not. At that point of time itself, you should tell the student whether it's correct or not. If you want that option, you can click this. Or you can display the correct answer after answering, or show the explanation if you are giving any explanation, or don't show anything, just move on the next question. Okay. So what happens is after you submit the test, it will be displayed whether it's correct or not. So it is better you choose this option itself. And if you want to randomize the question, randomize the order of the question, you can click this option. Or if you want it in the way you gave the question, then it is already checked in. Okay. And then review settings. Okay. These settings control what happen after the test is completed. Okay. After the person submit the test, what all should be seen. It is this. So if you want to give any conclusion text like thank you for attending. Okay. If something like this, if you want to see this, you can type it here. Or if you want to show the student whether the student is passed or failed, okay, then you can click this. You can also give the option. For example, if you're giving a 10 question, your pass percentage is this much. So, or you're giving like 50 questions for 2 marks, that is total 100 marks. What is the usual pass percentage? It's 35%. You can give that number. And then here, if the person is passed, you can give an text like congratulations. Okay, congratulations can be given. And then if the student is has failed, you can give a text like better luck next time. Okay, this is all optional. You can give it if you wish to, or just leave it in its own way. And here it's already given. You can it will display the score, the test outline, that whether if it's correct or not, and correct answer will also be displayed, and display if there is any explanation, it will also be displayed. So that is all set by default. Access control. So anyone who has the URL can attend the test. In that case, anyone is okay, but I think it is always better you give a separate passcode other than the password which you gave. You can always give a passcode to the students to enter into the test. Otherwise, they'll feel it really free, and anybody who has the link will just click in and go. So if you give a passcode, those people, those you have given the passcode only can attend it. So always give a passcode. I always give 1 2 3 4 5 6 or 1 2 3 4, whatever it is. If you don't want, just uncheck it and just give anyone. Okay, so as this is a demo, you can give anyone, or you can give a passcode. And here, anyone who enters unique identifier, that you may seem this interesting, but one thing is you have to specify all the employee ID. For example, if you're conducting a class test for one class, say for example first BCom CA, you should attach all the names here. And see, when I click on this, they have given a feature only available to Testmoz members. So only when you sign in, you can use this option. Okay. So it's always better for your better protection. You can use this second option. This is also not available for us because we have not subscribed it. Okay. So just give anyone. Okay. I'll give anyone with passcode. And let my passcode be the same, 123456. Okay, and here you can see how much time to complete. So how many, and unlimited, or I always used to give 15 minutes because only 5 to 10 questions will be there. And how many time? Be careful, always give 1. Okay, because if they are wrong, they'll attempt it again and the result will go wrong. You will get confused. Okay, and what should test takers enter to identify themselves? It's already given, enter your name. But I always give enter your name and class. Okay. So if you know the class, then it's okay. Enter your name only will be enough. Okay. So enter your name is selected. And then browser functionality. Browser functionality. What do you mean by browser functionality is that it's okay when you don't, all these functions is not available for us because we have not subscribed. So browser functionality, anything cannot be changed because we are using it for free. And notification, yes, send them to email and all is not needed. So just save your settings. Okay, so whatever basic settings we have to do, we have done it. So just give that. So we are to the next option, that is questions option. Here you can see an option called insert. When you click on that arrow or drop down box, you can see the questions like this. So ungraded question, other questions is not available for us. So question banks or questions from the file or question pool, those things are not available for us. This graded questions is available and ungraded questions is also available. So we always have to choose graded questions because we are not taking any survey. So I always give, you can either give multiple choice or true or false or matching or fill in the blanks or essay. It's according to your convenience. So I'm here, I'll show a demo of how you choose a multiple choice. Choose one. Okay, so multiple choice, the question will be like this. Okay, so if you are looking for a question from online, you can just copy paste the questions or just type in the question as you wish. Okay, so the question, I'm just typing in a question. What is the fundamental accounting equation? Okay, so this is a question which I am typing in. So I can type A is equal to, that is asset is equal to liabilities plus equity. Okay, asset is equal to liability minus equity. Liability is equal to asset plus equity and none. I'm just giving the answers like this. So if you have given the answers, choose the correct answer. Which one is the correct answer? Choose the correct answer here. Okay, because we are typing in the question, we should also type the correct answer. If you want to show any explanation, you can just give it, but that is also not available. But it's fine if you just give the correct answer. Choose the correct answer and the points. You can give 1 or 2 accordingly. So 1 by default it will be there. Okay. And if you want to duplicate the question, click on this question option. Okay. Okay, that is one. If you want to undo it, just undo it. So in my test, as this is a demo, I'm just choosing one question. Okay. And now I'm going to publish it. So I'm going to publish my questions to the students. So they will also give us some of the warning like access control, all these things and all. But this is possible only if you subscribe to the Testmoz and if you are a Testmoz member. So ready to publish. Here if you want show answers, all these things are by default. None of this bothers us. So just give publish option. Okay, so here current status, you can give it's open. If you're planning the test tomorrow on 2nd hour, then you can close the test and open it at that time. Now this is your URL. You have to copy this, your passcode also. You always, it's better create a Excel sheet and then paste this URL and the passcode and your password also. This is the passcode which you're going to give to the students. Okay, you already have given a password which you only know. Okay, in order for your access. So everything, it's better you save it somewhere like in an Excel sheet or something and use it for the coming future. Okay, so I'll show a test which I already had created and how it will look like. So this is this is the full step of creating a test. So I have this is one of the tests which I created. So here, as an administrator or administration head, as the person who created the test, you will be directed to administration. So here you have to give the password which you are given. On the first time itself, you will give a password, no? So that password should be given here, and just if you go login, if you give login, because that's already known, this is the all things I have already done. So this will be the window in which you will be directed. Okay, so I am just going back and I'll show how the students will see it. Okay, so I have given the option enter your name and class. So I'm just giving my name as B and class BCom CA. Okay, and the passcode is already saved. Otherwise, you can give the passcode as 123456. That was the passcode of my test. Okay, so just give start. Oh yeah, that's an invalid passcode. 1 minute. B, I'm just giving B. Okay, so this is the this is how your test will look like for the students. Okay, so this is how it will look like, and if I submit the answers like anyone, I will show the result page separately. Just click on for students, let them I'm going to click all the answers and just give submit. Okay, I'm just finishing the test. Okay, this is how the students will see for what is the correct answer. Okay, what is the wrong answer, and it will show the correct answer. Everything will be shown like this. Okay, now you're giving log out, and I'll show how the result will look like. Okay, so go to the results page. See, already 80 students have taken the test. So this is how your result page will look like. Okay, you can filter it by name or by any tag which is available. They will show the average score, average time for 10 responses, and score histogram. So if you see each and every student's score, starting time, finishing time, total time taken to attend the test, what is the answer for how many correct answers and how many wrong answers have they got, everything. So see, this is my name B. So when I select it, I'll get the options like email, print, add, tag, archive. If you want to give any remarks and all, you can give. I don't want this name, so I'm just deleting it. So it will get permanently deleted. Okay, so you can also delete the responses accordingly. Okay, so that is deleted. So this is how your results page will look like. Okay, so this is a demo test which I gave during the bridge course. So these many students have attended, and this is the score of those students. Okay. So I hope that's all about Testmoz. It's very easy, and it's very easy for you to view the scores and assess the students and all. So thank you for watching.